complex number. If omega is the complex cube root of unity, then find the value of 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega to the 4, 1 plus omega to the 8, dot dot up to n factors. So you know 1 plus omega plus 1 omega square equal to 0. So 1 plus omega is what? Minus omega square. 1 plus omega square is what? Minus omega. Omega plus omega square equal to what? Minus 1. This rule we have to apply. So now question is 1 plus omega. 1 plus omega means it is minus omega square. 1 plus omega square, it is obviously minus omega. 1 plus omega 4, 1 plus omega 4 means what? Omega 4 means omega cube into omega, that is omega. So 1 plus omega again. 1 plus omega 8, similarly 1 plus omega square up to 2n factors. Now next, what is the value first two factors multiplication? Minus omega square into minus omega, that is omega cube. And here also minus omega square, and it is minus omega, again omega cube. So similarly up to n factors. Why n factors? Because two factors make one factor, and these two factors becomes one factor. So in this way, 1 into n factors. So answer is 1. So students, that's all. This question solved.